Keselowski Additive Manufacturing Media. I am at Keselowski Advanced Manufacturing, Statesville, North Carolina, CAM for short. I'm in their conference room, but out on the production floor there are over 20 laser powder bed fusion metal additive machines. Significant amount of metal additive manufacturing production capacity used to make parts like these. This is not a customer part, but a close facsimile item of turbo machinery for the space industry. And what CAM knows about components like this is most of the challenge is not in the 3D printing. It is in the machining. And machining experts are part of CAM's team from the very beginning, evaluating the processing strategy for a part like this. And so a component like this, an example of how that played out, extra stock added to this form in the 3D printing build solely for the sake of machining. So these are threaded holes. The threads were 3D printed, usually not a feature that is made additively, but these threaded holes are not critical to the final component. They're critical to the work holding, and these threaded holes exist solely for the sake of being able to fixture this complicated part for the machining that's on this other face. And part of that machining on the other face is holes machined at extreme angles of engagement. So to make that machining easier, another case where extra stock was added to this part, more stock for machining just to allow those holes to be machined more precisely. A lot of challenging machined features in this complex part, but a little extra thought into the additive build, including input from the machining experts, allowed the entire process to be more efficient.